Hey everyone, Chris is the Thrift Shop Hustler, and today I'm going to show you how you have the potential of making $15,000 a month with Printful affiliate marketing. This is actually pretty crazy here, and we're going to get into some of my tips and tricks on how I've been able to make some money. Not quite this $15,000, and we'll get into that in a second. And once again, I'm reseller here on Steemit and Chris the Thrift Shop Hustler here on YouTube. What I need you to do is to first also click the subscribe button if you're not subscribed. We're going to be doing lots of great merch by Amazon and Printful videos coming in the next coming months. We're going to have a huge amount of how-to videos and things like that. I'm very excited to be doing that. But today, our subject of conversation is how you can possibly make $15,000 a month with just affiliate clicks. This is crazy. So what we're going to do is, if you're not signed up for Printful, that's going to be your first thing you need to do. There's going to be my affiliate link below to click that to get started with Printful. Now, there's plenty of different things you can do with Printful. You can make t-shirts, mugs, things like that. So if you're into merch and you're into selling things on eBay and on Etsy and on Amazon, and you're a creative person, this is definitely an amazing opportunity for you to definitely be getting involved with Printful. So with the affiliate marketing, what that is you put a link with your own special thing like I have below, and you can click that at any time to get signed up for Printful. And anytime someone clicks onto that link and then they sign up with your account affiliate link, any sales they make, I think it's in within like I want to say it's like a 90 or 180 days or something like that. It's not forever. There is a time thing with that, and any commissions that they make, you make a small percentage too, and it doesn't affect their percentage. It doesn't come from them, but anytime they make money, you make money on Printful. And there's so many amazing opportunities, especially with Printful and Etsy integration. If you have an Etsy account, this is definitely for you if you've not looked into Printful, especially if you have a Merch by Amazon account. You have all those designs already just ready to go onto Etsy. And as a matter of fact, my Etsy business, my Etsy t-shirt business does a lot better than my Merch by Amazon business. The Printful profits are amazing. I'm making $6 to $8 a shirt when those sell. So compared to the $3 to $5 sometimes that you sell with the Amazon stuff. Not to mention that Printful has mugs and all kinds of amazing things like that. So definitely go and check that out. Anyways, that Printful affiliate link is going to be below. If you're not signed up with Printful, definitely go and click that link below to get started. And like I said, let's go over this real quick. And we get a special affiliate when you sign up. You get a special affiliate monthly email, and I just got the email a couple weeks ago, and I meant to make a video about this. And they show the top performing affiliate stats of last month. As you can see, someone made just over $15,000 with 662 registered customers and 6,789 affiliate clicks, which is nothing compared to what they've made. Now, what you need to do is, some of the ways that you can do is you can actually put these links in your videos like I do. You can talk about Printful things and do videos like that. You can let your family and friends know. Now, I've made a pretty good amount of money with the affiliate links also, and some of my tips and tricks to do is just let your friends know that are interested in things like that. Like, hey, if you want to get involved with this, if you see this, you're interested in this, use my link. And that has helped me organically grow my affiliate account, and it's great side income. And like I said, as we could see here, we have 662 registered customers with this particular account making $15,000 this month, which is crazy. I think the last month one they had, the top one was like at I want to say it was like 7,000. So to see if someone made $15,000, and if you're good at affiliate marketing, this is actually right up your alley, especially if you're into Merch by Amazon and things like that. So definitely go down there, click the link below, sign up to Printful, get started today. And I can't believe it's funny. Some of the people that I signed up took a very long time before I saw any paid commissions, and it's kind of crazy. I have one affiliate customer that has just been going crazy with sales, And one of these days, I will actually make some of those videos about how much I'm personally making off paid commissions. I'm nowhere near this $15,000 mark. But if you are good at affiliate marketing, if you've done Amazon affiliate marketing, anything, and you're good at this, you can definitely make some side income doing this affiliate marketing through Printful. So this is absolutely amazing. Anyways, once again, I am Chris, the Thrift Shop Hustler. If you have any questions, definitely leave them in the comments below. I will try to answer everyone's question in a timely manner. If you learned anything in this video, definitely click the like button, and for sure click the affiliate link below to get started on Printful affiliate marketing today, especially if you're in Merch by Amazon and you're not signed up for Printful. There are so many different ways to make money with Printful. So sign your friends and family up today, and we'll see you next time. Take care.